Hi, I'm Fred Norris with Disaster Plus, your 24/7 water disaster specialist. You know, it's not real often that we actually get the opportunity to see a disaster while it's happening. We kind of come in on the back end for the cleanup. Well, one night about 3 a.m., we got a call to go out to a retirement home. What had happened is that a sprinkler system had been tampered with. Yes, a sprinkler head in someone's room, they had tampered with it. It was dumping out hundreds of gallons of water because they couldn't get the shutoff to work. Until the technician arrived, which he was an hour away, we got a chance to take some amazing video. Check this out. I approached the apartment where the water damage was occurring. I noticed water flowing out from under the door, moving like a stream out into the hallway. It was several inches deep outside the apartment. The door to the apartment was acting like a dam. Look at it bubbling around the door. I started getting up my courage to open it, and then, oh my goodness, the force and volume of water coming out of the bedroom was like a river. I can say I'd never seen anything indoors quite like it. Things were actually floating. We should have had our boots on that night. Well, the sprinkler system in the other room as I went around the corner was shooting gallons of water across the room and on everything. There was so much spray and humidity in the air that my lens kept getting wet. This is definitely not the way to clean the kitchen floor. And I had to swing back around to get one more take of this sprinkler in action. It was so unbelievable. That mist you see is water spraying across the room. Well, 2 floors underneath in this retirement home was an indoor pool. Really, it was like a tropical rainstorm with water pouring out of the ceiling tiles and light fixtures from above. It's hard to believe the lights, they were still on. Check it out. Can you imagine how many gallons of water must have been coming out of that one sprinkler to create this much water? Imagine if this had not been a pool area to catch all the water. The technician was an hour away and finally arrived to cut the water off. It's a good thing that the 24/7 disaster team was on the scene that night. We extracted water for hours, set up all of our drying equipment, and then, over the course of several days, monitored it, got the building dry. Disaster Plus.